That wasn't him though. The guy I was talking about was.
See somebody over there?
Yeah, I just killed one guy to the right. There was two. Watch northeast 045 045. Copy. They're here. They're here.
Oh yeah, I see that. It's fucking tracers, bro. Got a vehicle? Got a vehicle coming somewhere? Right here? On the road?
It's a Logi, dude. It's a Logi. No, it ain't. Light it up. There's dudes all over it. Light them up.
I'm throwing eights, throwing eights.
On the back side.
Yeah. Did you get killed?
No. My bully hole clenched.
Bro, what is
One guy down. I got one down.
Yeah, that's who I was shooting at, bro. I lit that dude up.